Interested in seeing me swatch these gorgeous colors? Stay tuned, bestie. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you have not already, please like, comment, and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds and it really helps my channel out. Thank you guys so much. Okay, so jumping right in, packaging that it came in was like, man, whatever. I ordered 2 sets of these. This set was fine. The other set had a little bit of leakage, but packaging of like the bottles and stuff, A1. It looks amazing. I love the different colors. I love how easy it is to like pick a color from like just looking at a bottle. And actually these colors, this brand, well, not this brand. Get it together. I'm so excited. It's been a minute since I did a video. Okay. So what I'm trying to say is this, like the vendors that do this company, I was actually looking at these gel polishes. Calm down, Janae. Okay. So the vendors that do the gel polishes and stuff, like I was looking at them for my brand, and these are the exact ones that I was looking at, and I was gonna like order a sample to like sample before I do all the custom labeling and stuff like that, and like make a big large purchase to have on my site. But I don't know, I found these on SHEIN, and I wasn't even thinking about my brand. I was like, I just need new nail stuff in general, because I have like this client who wants to set, and y'all know how that go. So I ended up just ordering these like just for the heck of it, because they were really cheap anyways, and it was a set, and they ended up being so amazing. Like, look at how smooth that glides on and how pigmented it is. Like every single swatch that I did, I only did like 1 application. Like I didn't do 2 coats or nothing. Like it's just 1 coat of everything, and they look so amazing. Like these gel polishes are so good, like such good quality, and that makes me happy because I've been looking to expand plugged, and I definitely want some gel polishes. Like I'm not really a gel polish girl. Like I don't like to design in gel polishes, so I don't really have that many. That's why I jumped on these, because they were like $10, but because I bought 2 at a time, they ended up being like $7 each. So for the 2 sets that I got, they both came with like 7 gel polishes, and they ended up being $7. So boom, how can you beat $1 gel polish? And that actually brings me back to my brand yet again. I've been thinking about lowering my prices for you guys, because I feel like, I don't know, I've been doing a lot of SHEIN shopping, and the lower the prices are, the more I want to shop, and I want people to have that same feel about my brand. I don't want to go too cheap now, because if I do like $1 a gel polish, babes, I'm not making no profit. So we can't do it that low, but we gon' sit on some low prices for a second and see what I could do for y'all. Cause babes, most of my customers are just like me, and I love me a good price. So yeah, cause I did like a 30% off sale for y'all, and y'all showed y'all anuses, okay? Y'all did it up. I was excited, y'all was excited. Everybody was happy. Like, so I gotta do something for y'all. I gotta bring these prices down just a tad. Okay, so y'all, I honestly don't know what was wrong with me like in the beginning of the month, because I did several SHEIN orders. Like I'm talking like a week straight. SHEIN just had me in a chokehold, and then they have these little games on there where you can win free stuff. Them and Temu had me in a chokehold with them damn games, okay? And I just kept ordering stuff to get more points to be able to play these games, and look, here we are. It's like 2 weeks later, and I got all this nail stuff here. So we're gonna break this up to into a little series, and I'm gonna just show you guys everything I got, because it's like so much stuff. So obviously this is going to be part 1, but I'll have part 2 of the other gel polishes coming soon, maybe in a day or 2. Be on the lookout for that. But in all honesty, I'm really like a little bit shook at how amazing the quality of these polishes are. I honestly didn't expect them to be like that, and the colors are just so gorgeous. Like, look at that. But if you stuck with me through this whole video and all of my rambling, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Every little bit of that helps my channel.